Hi guys, it's Kris. Alone, no Kathy tonight. There's several things that I wanted to talk to you about. It's been our shooting schedule. We don't even, it's like all over the place. And there's one gigantic thing that is bugging me horribly. As you'll notice, I'm usually not, maybe 2 or 3 days and then I update our comments. I have not been able to even look at the comments. I feel terrible. I appreciate every comment that you guys put down for us. I don't know if it's a reason or whatever you would say, but you guys know that I sleep at my mother's house 3 nights a week, and it's always on the weekend. It's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then I go home Monday morning. So that right there is, I know anybody that knows dementia can completely sympathize with you. This morning, for instance, I could not get her to come out of her closet. It's just one of those hard things. I think what I'm going to have to do, and please don't be offended by this, I think I'm going to have to start the comments from this video. I mean, I know that's terrible, but I guess the ones that I'm missing are probably mostly Christmas, and we've, you know, I don't know, guys. I really, it's not something I want to do, but I think if I can just start fresh from this video, you know, that might help if I can keep up with it, because I'm at home Monday afternoons and then Tuesday and Wednesday. Now I watch my mom during the days on Thursday, I believe it is, and then spending the night Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So it is a lot. And you also know that there's been something going on between Kathy and I. I cannot tell you what's going on. She has not let me know if she wants to stay with the program, not stay with it. I'm just trying to see what she's going to do. So, there's a couple of new things I wanted to show you. It's going to be a very short visit, or video. Again, please don't be offended that I know y'all took the time to write out the comments, and that's like the ultimate, I mean, that's the ultimate for me. I just don't think I can catch up as far as it's gone now. So if it's okay with you guys, or if you have a better idea, let me know for sure, because right now I am just, I want to say on my last leg. You know how it is. You get so overtired that you just, that's it. Okay, what I did want to show you real quick, I don't think I showed you this. Oh dear. Uh-oh. That's on my mother. I'm sorry, just one second. Oh, Lord. Problems. Okay, these two things right here are from Christmas, but the prices were so ridiculous. I thought, you know, there may be people that, you know, I would use this one. It's called Under the Mistletoe. I would use it all year. And once you see the colors, you'll see what I mean. The names may be, you know, for Christmas, but I think it's a really pretty palette. So that's the first thing. And then the second thing is very specific. I'm not really sure who all would do this. It's a compilation called As Cold as Ice. As you can see, it's got the bulbs from, you know, decorating. You pull on this little lever right here, and then inside you've got, these are 3 glitters. Now, I don't really want to show you, because this is, I'm probably going to give this away, but these are probably the prettiest glitters I've ever seen. If I can get it out. Oh dear. There we go. It's come out. Okay. This would be called, I don't know, Bish, B-I-S-H, maybe. Okay. And let me see. This stuff, if you're not careful, it will go everywhere. So let's see if I can just use this part of it, not even dip into the, okay. Now this right here is the one that's Bish, and I want you to see if you can, maybe that way you can get it. I don't know how to, you know, make you be able to see it very well, but trust me, these colors, we've got one that's a silver, this one that's like a peach, and then the other one is called Moolah, so it might be green. I don't know. I don't want to open any of the rest of them, but if you think, any of you guys think that this would be worth, even though it is, you know, old Christmas stuff, it's all brand new, and just let me know if it's something you'd be interested in. Okay, the second thing I want to show you, I got this mascara when Kathy and I did our haul. It's on my eyes. I'm not impressed. I'm gonna give it another chance, but on first blush, not at all interested. Okay, and then ta-da, it's Boxy Charm. So we are gonna go ahead and I need to clean up. All right, here we go. It's Boxy Charm Refresh, and this one right here is my variation. Doesn't mean anything to me. Okay, first we have Araceli Beauty Bella Sponges. It seems like we're kind of getting sponges every time. Now these right here are $24, and this is, you know, the full size, so there's that. Then we have, I was kind of glad Kathy wasn't here tonight. We have a brush that is a dual-ended angle brush, and it's Anastasia, and this one would be okay, wait, let me show you something else that comes with it. This is the dip brow, which is all I ever used to use, but not in medium brown. I used to use it in taupe. I have one that's never been opened, but I'm kind of thinking it might not be good anymore. So this was a nice surprise. I don't know if it's going to be the right color or not, but here it is right here. You can see. So that with the brush is $39. So doesn't seem too bad. Okay, now we have, seems like we get these a lot too. This is a Context lipstick, and let's see, this is $20, but hold on, it says new brand to Boxy. I don't think so, but maybe I'm thinking of the Allure Beauty Box or perhaps Ipsy, so we will see. But it is called Tears Are Falling by, like I said, Context, and this is, let's see if you can, it's a pretty color. It seems like I'm kind of accumulating a lot of the same colors. So that's that. Then we have, and this is one, normally I'd give it to Kathy, but it seems like I might want to try this one. It's Dermalect. Haven't heard of that company. And this is a Revital Light Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. So, yeah, I have dark eyes, they're getting, or dark circles, they're getting worse and worse and worse the more lack of sleep that I'm getting. But this is what it looks like. And apply twice daily directly over eye area, including under eye, eyelid, brow bone, and side of your eyes. So they want you to slather this stuff all over the place. This is $59. Okay. Now, the last thing that's in here, and I'll go ahead and tell you, it's $42. And I swear we've had this palette at some, it's Wander Beauty, no, yeah, it is Wander Beauty. Okay. I'll go ahead and show it to you. You know I'm not really a big fan of their palettes, but Kathy really is. But then again, I don't know what Kathy's doing, so we'll see. Okay, this right here, and I'm not going to say it's ugly, it's just that I have, you know, many like it. So, that is all for me today. Again, I cannot apologize enough for not being able to get to your comments. If you could be inside my brain, you know that I have been extremely worried about it, but I haven't even been home until tonight, and I'm just so tired. So, you know, if I can get to some, you know, I don't want it to seem like I'm talking to some and not the other, but let's just, if we can, if it's okay with you guys, to start with this video that we're doing right now. And I promise not to let it get that far behind again, because I literally have been tearing my hair out. Okay, guys, well, I hope all is well with you wherever you are. I want you to stay safe and have some fun, you know, a decent amount of fun. And yeah, I know that I for sure will see you on the next video. We'll see what she has to do. So, see you later. Bye-bye.